Imagine tomorrow morning feels different. You wake up, and instead of that familiar heaviness in your stomach, there is a sense of lightness. No bloating, no discomfort, no sitting and waiting, hoping your body finally cooperates. Just a smooth, natural release. Like your system is finally working with you again. Now here is what most people get wrong. When constipation shows up, they try to force a solution. Stronger remedies, faster fixes, harsh options. But your gut does not respond well to force. It responds to timing, hydration, and the right signals. And one of the most powerful moments to support your digestion is right before you sleep. Because overnight, your body shifts into repair mode. Your digestive system slows down, resets, and prepares for elimination. But if your gut is dry, sluggish, or missing the right support, that reset never fully happens. And that is why mornings feel incomplete. But tonight, you can change that. Because in this video, you will discover simple bedtime drinks that gently work with your body, helping soften stool, support natural movement, and prepare your system for an easier morning. Without harsh stimulation, we will start with the most gentle, beginner-friendly options, and gradually move toward more effective combinations, ending with one powerful drink that many people say works almost overnight. So if you are tired of feeling heavy, stuck, or uncomfortable, stay with me, because tonight's small habit might be the reset your gut has been waiting for. Number 1. Soaked raisin fennel digestive drink. Imagine giving your gut a gentle overnight boost, using something naturally sweet, soothing, and deeply supportive for digestion. The soaked raisin fennel digestive drink is designed to help soften stool, reduce bloating, and support a smoother, more complete bowel movement. In the morning, without harsh effects, this drink uses just 3 simple ingredients: raisins, fennel seeds, and water. Raisins are rich in fiber and natural sugars, like sorbitol, which can help draw water into the intestines and soften stool. When soaked overnight, they become even easier to digest and release their beneficial compounds into the water. Fennel seeds are well known for their ability to reduce gas, ease bloating, and support gut motility. By relaxing the digestive tract, water acts as the base that helps carry these benefits through your system, while supporting hydration. Many people do not realize that simple soaked foods can have a powerful effect on digestion. Instead of forcing the gut with strong laxatives, this drink works by gently supporting the natural movement of your intestines. When stool stays too long in the colon, excess water is absorbed, making it dry and difficult to pass. The combination of soaked raisins and fennel helps bring moisture back, while also calming the gut, making bowel movements easier and more comfortable. To prepare it, take 8 to 10 raisins and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Soak them in 1 cup of water overnight. In the morning, lightly crush the soaked raisins and fennel. Stir the water and drink it on an empty stomach. You can also eat the soaked raisins for extra fiber and added benefit. When to take it: prepare it at night, after dinner, and drink it first thing in the morning. This timing allows the ingredients to fully infuse and prepares your digestive system for a gentle morning release. Number 2. Warm prune citrus soother. Imagine ending your night with something warm, gentle, and naturally supportive for your digestion. The warm prune citrus soother is designed to help draw moisture into the stool, encourage intestinal movement, and support a smoother, more complete bowel movement. By morning, without causing sudden urgency, this drink uses 3 simple ingredients: prunes, a squeeze of fresh lemon, and warm water. Prunes are naturally rich in fiber, and sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that helps pull water into the intestines and soften stool. They also contain compounds that may gently stimulate bowel movement, making them one of the most well-known natural remedies. For occasional constipation, lemon juice provides mild acidity that can help support digestive activity and encourage the gut to move more efficiently. Warm water acts as a soothing base, helping hydrate the intestines and relax the digestive tract. Before sleep, many people overlook warm fruit-based drinks like this, but they can be especially helpful at night. When your body is dehydrated, stool becomes dry and harder to pass. The combination of prunes and warm liquid helps reintroduce moisture, while also supporting gentle gut motility. Instead of forcing a bowel movement, this drink works by softening and preparing the digestive system for a natural morning release. To prepare it, take 3 to 4 pitted prunes and place them in 1 cup of warm water. Let them sit for 5 to 10 minutes until slightly softened. Lightly mash the prunes. Add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and stir well. Drink the liquid slowly, and you can also eat the softened prunes. For extra fiber, the best time to take it is at night, about 1 hour after dinner. Sip it warm and avoid heavy snacks afterward. Number 3. Olive oil lemon night cleanse. Imagine taking something simple before bed that quietly helps your digestive system prepare for a smoother morning release. The olive oil lemon night cleanse is designed to gently lubricate the intestines, soften stool, and support natural bowel movement without harsh stimulation. This drink uses just 3 simple ingredients: extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon juice, and warm water. Olive oil acts as a natural lubricant for the digestive tract, helping stool move more easily through the intestines. It may also support bile flow, which can help stimulate gentle digestive activity. Overnight, lemon juice provides mild acidity that can help activate digestion and encourage intestinal movement. Warm water helps dilute the mixture, making it easier to drink, while also supporting hydration, which is essential for softer stool. Many people do not realize that dryness inside the intestines is a major reason stool becomes hard and difficult to pass. Instead of forcing the gut, this combination works by coating and softening, making elimination more comfortable. When taken at night, it gives your body time to slowly support movement while you sleep, preparing for a natural release. In the morning, to prepare it, add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to half a cup of warm water. Then add 1 teaspoon of fresh lemon juice and stir well. Sip it slowly while it is still warm. Some people prefer to take a few small sips rather than drinking it all at once. The best time to take it is at night, about 1 hour after dinner, and just before bed. So there you have it. Simple drinks that can gently support your gut and help your body reset naturally overnight. You do not need to try all of them at once. Just pick one that feels right for your body and try it tonight, because sometimes the smallest habit, done consistently, can make the biggest difference in how you feel every single morning. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments.